Hi Coach, I'm Jeff Kraus, owner of Krausko Sports. What I'm going to show you today is the Muzzle, the best offensive lineman training tool on the market today. They're made of a foam that's a derivative of bases on a baseball field. So they're not going to rip, they're not going to tear, they're extremely durable, made for weathering. They also are made with holes in them so that you can wash them out when you need to for easy cleansing. Now, how do they work? What makes them so valuable? Well, why are they valuable to a coach? Well, you can use them in every piece of the progressions you do today. So everything you're doing now, you can have these on and keep doing them. Number two, it's easy for a coach to identify poor hand placement. Very easy to identify because you see it. Three, the ultimate reason that it's valuable to your O-line coach is it's going to give you better offensive linemen. On to the biggest thing. Why are they valuable to the player? Number one, the design. The design is hands in, thumbs up. What happens when you do that? When you get this magnetic fit here, your elbows are automatically in too. So whoever has hands on, hands inside, as you know, they get control and ultimately win the battle. That's why we're talking about hands in and thumbs up being so important. Why are thumbs up so important? Well, two reasons. One, with thumbs up, is your hands coming in this way, much easier to grab that breastplate where you want. Number two, and most important, is you're stronger. Now if you want to test this theory, it's very easy to do. And the other reason you need gloves and mitts like this is because it's not natural. Now when you go to push something, go to push your desk, go to push a chair, go to push the wall right now, you're going to come at it like this, with your thumbs pointing at each other, sideways. That's the natural motion for any and every human being to push something. Now, as football coaches, we want our guys coming in this way, because it's more effective, we're stronger. How do I know you're stronger? Ask the next person that you see to put their arm out and put their thumb like this. Grab their wrist. This is the normal pushing motion. Say, don't let me push your arm down, and push their arm down. Then say, now put your thumb up. Don't let me push your arm down. You will find right away it's a lot more difficult for anybody to move your arm when your thumb's up. Why? You're using more muscles. Pretty simple. But it's not a natural movement. Therein lies the benefit of a product that forces you to be thumbs up. Now number two, after your hands are in the perfect position, how do you get them to the target? You're not always coming in this way. That doesn't always happen. Now the magnetic design here makes it more difficult to pull these pads apart that way. So to pull the pads, the mitts apart, it's more difficult to pull them straight apart. Not so difficult to shear them. And that's exactly what you want your offensive linemen doing. When they're going to a target, you want a shear motion. You don't want a, let me open up and try and get power motion, because then you expose your chest. Then you can lose the inside battle, which is exactly what you're trying to avoid in the first place. So hands stay in. They shear to the target. So if you need to post, you want to be hip and breastplate, that's fine. You can do that. Which leads right into number three, movement. You can get into your stance. So if you're in a 2-point, if you're in a 3-point stance, and have one hand down, one hand up, you can do that with the muzzles on. Okay, so you're not constraining natural movement. One of the issues with handcuffs or bungee cords is that you automatically constrain what is natural movement. Here you keep natural movement, but you're promoting and you're fostering the correct muscle memory. The other part of having movement ability is your target's not always going to be right here. Sometimes your targets are going to be here. Sometimes you're posting here. And always with movement. So this allows you to have the movement with your hands. So you're always going in with the correct form. Now number 4, and probably my favorite, is you automatically force the player to finish with his feet. So you can't finish a block by grabbing and holding. Okay? They do have some dexterity to them, but you're not going to be able to grab and hold, which forces your guy to effectively finish blocks. Now, that leads right into number 5, which is when you take these off and you let them utilize the dexterity of their fingers and their hands again, they are going to be that much more effective. Tremendous tool for better offensive linemen. Muzzle, call for your set today at 262-631-0782 and get your set for your entire offensive line. Again, 262-631-0782. Thank you.